In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan folders for already installed GOG games using the GOG app. This is a super useful feature if you already have a game installed on your computer and you want GOG to detect it automatically instead of downloading everything again. It can save you time, keep your library organized, and make it much easier to manage your games in one place. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the GOG app on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the app is open, look over to the left side menu and click the Cog icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you'll find extra tools and library options. After clicking the Cog icon, move your mouse over Add Games and Friends. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear with a few different choices. From that drop-down, click Scan Folders for GOG games. This tells the app that you want it to search your computer for installed games that it may not already be tracking in your library. Next, a folder selection window will open. Click Select Folder, then browse to the folder where your game is installed. Make sure you choose the correct folder that contains the game files, because that is what GOG will scan to identify the installed game. Once you've selected the folder, confirm your choice and let the app do its scan. GOG will check the folder, and if it recognizes the game, it should add it to your library so you can launch and manage it more easily. If you have more than one game folder, you can repeat the process for each location you want to scan. And that's it. You've now learned how to scan folders for already installed GOG games. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more GOG tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.